kind of things I play online are Roblox, videos on Safari, Minecraft and Netflix.
I play Roblox, I go on YouTube and I play Fortnite and Fall Guys.
Well, I play Roblox and I also go on YouTube. I play Roblox, like online games, and Among Us and Roblox.
It's really important to make sure kids are safe online because we equip children in other aspects of their life to be safe. You know, they wear helmets on their bikes and we put on elbow pads and wrist pads, but the online environment really is no different. It's just as important that they're protected, they're aware of dangers, they're thinking about potential threats, but they're also open to the good things that can happen online. Obviously, there's a lot of benefits of it to being online.
Well, first of all, welcome guys to our very special session about being safer online. So I am Rosie, I work for Total Girl magazine and KZone magazine. This is Dan who will be helping us out today. And to tell you a little bit more about ESET, who we're teaming up with, we have ESET's country manager Kelly to tell you a little bit more about them.
Hello everyone, welcome to ESET. We've been protecting people against cyber criminals for over 30 years.
Raise your hand if you've ever been on Instagram or you go on Instagram. Yeah, that's cool. So far I go on Instagram. So we're going to be doing 3 activities.
The first one is a memory game. Kids are going to be looking at logos and symbols from some of their hopefully favourite games and social platforms that they use.
The second activity we're doing today is a true or false quiz. If you see someone being treated mean online, you should just ignore it. True or false? It's a bit of a tricky one. So true if you think you just ignore it, or false, you should tell someone.
Who's ready for the next activity? Me! Hands up, I can't hear you. Me! Okay, cool.
The last activity is a fun little questionnaire. There was 2 options, A or B, to choose from, just to summarise everything that we've learnt today. But it's not a test. You guys can talk to each other, you guys can talk to us to help you guys come up with the answers, all right?
The best thing I learned is if anyone is getting mean comments and stuff thrown at them, the right thing to do to just step in and say that it's not safe and tell a parent.
Don't talk to strangers, and if something's going on, tell my parents.
The kids have taken away some really important lessons from today and they're going to take that back out into the real world and hopefully apply it and be safer online. That's why having partners like ESET to work with us on days like today is so valuable.